So for this perfume, which is an impression of perfume called Envy, and that's made for women. So I've used 10 ml of cedral acetate, and the crystals are already gone because the way I keep it, I use ISO super small quantity and put it in the crystal powders or crystals, and over time they mix, and they take less time to dissolve, right? So the next thing I need is 5 ml of Orivon, okay. So we need linalool acetate, and that's 10 ml as well. So you see a lot of perfumer, they follow an impression of any impression. For example, they use a perfume strategy called the core, heart, the middle tone, the top note. So we do the same thing but in a different way. The way I see because it's very hard, there's so many different molecules and oils, you sometimes forget, which oil is for a top note or which one is for the heart note. So we generally have an idea, but the best way to do it is to look at the molecule weight. So if they're a heavy molecule, most likely they're made for the heart, the core, and if the molecule weight is smaller or they're lighter, then they're used for the top note. This is the general understanding of things. The other way is when you look at the molecule and you look at the composition of it, the chemical composition of it, or the properties, chemical properties, you will see there is a reading called the what kind of diffusion it has. For example, if it's a lighter molecule, it will diffuse very quickly, so the number is smaller. And some chemicals you see, or oils you see, it has less diffusive in nature they are. For example, they're heavier. Diffusive, when I say, is how long it takes for them to mix with the air. Okay, so in general we talk, but then afterwards I will give you a specific. But you need to go through these experiences first. Get familiarize yourself with these things, and then after you go for the chemistry afterwards. Okay, so linalool acetate, 10 ml, and the next thing I'm going to use is styrol acetate, also 10 ml. These are my experience of making Envy perfume impression before, and I use these based on my own experience to make it more beautiful and attractive and nice smell. So this styrol acetate 10 ml going in there. Okay, the next thing we need is 25 ml of Hedion. And with that you need 10 ml of ISO Super. So Hedion 25 ml, ISO Super is, I would say, just use a 5 ml to 10 ml. So the Hedion will give floral impression. So it's roughly 30 ml of those two mixtures.